Hello, students. Hello, teacher. This is Grade 7 Mathematics lesson delivered by Addis Ababa City Administration Education Bureau. And I am Buzuna Makonnen. Today, we are going to see Unit 2, set of integers. Unit 2. Unit 2, integers. Lesson topic, definition of integers. Students, after this lesson, you are expected to define set of integers and indicates the set of integers on number line. And finally, you are expected to relate natural number, whole number, and set of integer. So here, after this lesson, after this lesson, you are expected to, 1, define set of integers. Define set of integers. Set of integers. 2, you are expected to indicate integers on number line. Indicate integers on number line. And finally, describe the relationship. Describe the relationship among natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. So now let's continue to the lesson. Before directly defining set of integer, let's see some basic concepts. In your lower grade lesson, you have learned about set of natural numbers. As you remember, the set of natural number contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. And you have also learned about the set of whole numbers is denoted by the symbol W, and it contains the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on like this. So in this section, we are going to see a new number called integer. So before defining integer, let's see some activity. Here, consider the temperature of different city measured as follows. Consider the temperature of 3 cities. 3 cities recorded as follows. Okay, let's take a thermometer here to describe the temperature. Okay, assume this thermometer, it has a liquid inside it, and there is a scale here. Assume this one is 0 and 5 and so on. So assume this is the temperature recorded by CTA, and the temperature recorded as at this point. Assume the temperature of CTA is recorded at this level, and let's see this one. The temperature of CTB, let's see, is measured in degree centigrade. In degree centigrade. Assume the temperature of this CT is recorded as at this point. Okay, and let's see the temperature of CTC. This temperature is recorded in this as indicated here. Assume the temperature of CTC is recorded in this form. Now, as you can see from this reading, here the temperature of CTC is recorded below 0. Okay, so such temperatures, such a very cold temperature below 0 is represented by a number with minus sign. Therefore, the temperature of this CT is a number with minus sign. The temperature of this CT is represented by minus sign with a number, it's minus 5, and such a number is called a negative number. So this number is this negative number. Negative number. Negative number. Okay, when you come to here, the temperature of CTB is recorded above 0, 5 degrees above 0. And such temperature is described by a positive sign with a number. Therefore, the temperature of this CT can be written as it is plus 5, or we can read it as positive 5. So, such numbers are called positive numbers. Positive numbers. Positive number. Positive number. So, most of the time, positive 5 is written without the symbol plus sign. Therefore, most of the time, positive 5 is written as simply as 5. Now, let's see the temperature of CTA. As you can see, the temperature of CTA is not above 0, below, it's at 0 level. So the temperature of CTA is 0. So this temperature is 0 or 0 degree centigrade. And this number is not a positive, it's not negative. Therefore, as you can see here, 0 is this neither positive nor negative. But as I said earlier, a number above 0 is indicated by plus sign, and that number is this positive. Therefore, this temperature is this positive 5. And a number below 0 is represented by a number with minus sign. We say this temperature minus 5. So we call such a number negative numbers. So now let's continue. Negative numbers are used to describe negative numbers. Negative numbers are used to describe describe a number below zero. Negative numbers are used to describe a number below zero. A number below zero. A number below zero. And we use negative number to describe loss. We use negative number to describe decreasing in certain thing, decreasing. If certain value decreases, we use a negative number. Moving downward, if certain thing moves down, we use negative. So moving down, moving downward, moving downward, and moving backward also is negative. So moving backward, moving backward. And here again, positive numbers are used to describe positive numbers. Numbers are used to describe one, a number above zero. A number above zero is positive. A number above zero. And profit, we use positive value for profit. So profit is described by positive number. Profit. Increase in something is described by positive number. Increase in something is also described by positive number. And moving upward is also positive. Moving upward. And again, moving forward is also this positive. Moving forward. Okay, this is it. Now, let's see examples for this concept. Example. Represent the following. Represent the following. The following with a numeral and positive or negative sign. Okay, the first one, a loss of 100 birr. A loss of 100 birr. How do you describe this? Using a sign plus minus together with a number. That means the numeral is the number, and with plus or minus sign. Now let's see the answer this together. Loss, as we said earlier, is negative. Therefore, this number is described as minus 100 or negative 100. Okay, let's proceed to the next example. An increase of temperature. An increase of temperature by 5 degree centigrade. Please try this question. I'll give you 10 seconds for you. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Now let's see the answer together. Here, increase. Increase means it is positive. Therefore, increase of temperature by 5 degrees centigrade is represented by the symbol plus 5 degree centigrade. This will be the answer. Let's proceed to C. Moving 1 kilometer, moving 1 kilometer forward. Moving 1 kilometer forward. Please represent this with a numeral with plus minus sign. I'll give you 10 seconds for this question. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Let's see the answer together. Here it says, moving 1 kilometer forward. Forward is positive. Therefore, this number is written positive 1 kilometer. This is it. Okay, let me add one more example. Moving 2 meters down. Moving 2 meters down. Okay? Please try this question. I'll give you 10 seconds. Students, have you tried the question? Good. Let's see the answer. Moving 2 meters down. Down is this negative. Therefore, this will be represented as negative 2 meters. That's it. Now, we are ready to define the set of integer. Let's proceed to that. So, definition. This integer is the set containing, integer is the set containing natural numbers 0 and negative of natural numbers. So, symbolically, set of integer is denoted by letter Z. Set of integer, the set of integer is denoted by the symbol Z, and this Z contains the numbers as said, as we defined it here. It contains 0. It contains positive numbers, or it contains natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Not only this, it also contains the negative of these natural numbers. So here you have the negative of 1, negative of 2, and minus 3, and it goes on like this. So this is the set of integer. And this set of integer is indicated on number line as follows. So we can indicate the set of integer on this number line like this. So here it contains 0, and then 1, 2, 3. It goes on to the right like this, and it contains the numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and it goes on like this. So here these numbers are positive integers. So the numbers above 0, as we said earlier, are positive. So these numbers are positive integers. These are positive integers. Positive integers. And symbolically, positive integers is this denoted by z with plus sign. Therefore, the numbers above 0 are positive integers. And the numbers below 0, as we said earlier, we call them negative numbers. So these are negative integers. So here the numbers are negative integers. And symbolically, negative integers is written in this form, z with minus sign, And this 0, it is 0. It's not a part of positive, it's not a part of negative. So this 0 is a neither positive nor negative. Therefore, 0, this is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. Okay, from this we can see, let's see this set of positive integer, z plus. This z plus contains the numbers 1, 2, 3. So this z plus is identical with natural number. Therefore here, note the following from the number line, we can see that 1. The set of positive integer is the same as natural number. Set of natural number contains 1, 2, 3. Set of positive integer also contains the same number. Therefore, z plus and n are the same. Again, 0 union natural number gives you what? On 1 to 3, if you add 0, you get what? We get set of whole numbers. Therefore, 0 union natural number gives you the set of whole numbers. Okay, let's see this one. What do you get if you mix positive integer, negative integer, and 0? If you take the union of these 3, what do you get? If you mix this one, 0 and positive integer, you get the whole set of integers. That's right. Therefore, you get set of integer z. Now, let's see question for this, example for this. Example. Let's make this example us in a multiple choice question. Which one of the following, which one of the following is true? Is true. A, 2.5 is an element of Z. B, 3/4 is an element of Z. C, -3 is element of Z. D, 4 is element of Z plus. So, which of this is a true statement? Let's see this question together. Okay. Now, let's check each choice one by one. If you take 2.5, say this statement, element of Z, do we have numbers 2.5 instead of integer? No, we don't have such a number instead of integer. As we listed earlier, set of integer contains such numbers: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So we don't have 2.5 in these sets. Therefore, 2.5 is not an integer. Here it says 2.5 is an integer. This is a wrong statement. Now, let's see this one, B. 3/4 is 3/4 element of integer. Is 3/4 found in this set? No, it's not. Therefore, here it says 3/4 is found in Z. This statement is wrong. This statement is wrong. Now, let's see this one. -3 is element of Z. Is -3 found in set of integer? Yes, it is found in set of integer, -3, -4, and so on. Such numbers are integers. Therefore, -3 is element of Z. This one is correct. 4 is element of Z plus. Here, set of integers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this part we said a positive integer. This part we said earlier positive integer. Is 4 in set of positive integer? Yes, it's found in set of integer. Next to 3 we have 4, 5, and so on. So 4 is in set of positive integer. Therefore, this statement is correct. Therefore, which of the following statements are true? C and D are true statements, while A and B are wrong statements. Now, let's proceed to next example, second example. I'll give you one example for you. Okay, try this one. Example 2. Example 2. Which of the following statement is the following? Which of the following statements? Just following statements is true. Okay. A, -6 is element of Z plus. B, 4 is element of Z minus. C, 0 is element of Z. And D, 2 is not an element of Z. Okay, please try this question. I'll give you 10 seconds for this. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Let's 6 is an element of positive integer. We said the set of integer contains the numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Here it says -6. You will find -6 on this set. Such sets are also negative integers. It's not a positive integer. So -6 is an element of positive integer. This one is a wrong statement. Let's see this one. 4 is an element of negative integer. You will find 4 here on set of positive integer, not negative. Therefore, 4 is not negative. This statement is also wrong. 0 is an element of z. Yes, it's correct. 0 is in set of integer. 2 is not an element of integer, it says here. This is a wrong statement. Since 2 is in set of integer, the statement says it's not an integer. This is a wrong statement. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Now, let's proceed to the next part. Relation among natural number, whole number, and integer. Relation. The relationship among natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Okay, earlier we defined the set of natural numbers containing the numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we have also revised the set of whole numbers. It contains the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, it goes on like this. And we have also defined the set of integers containing the numbers, negative numbers like -3, -2, -1 to the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, when you say set of natural number, all natural numbers are found in set of whole number, and whole number has more element. So such relationship is, we call it a proper subset. Therefore, the set of natural numbers are right in this form. The set of natural number is, again, you can see that all set of whole numbers are found in set of integer. Therefore, this set of whole number is a proper subset of set of integer. Therefore, whole number is a proper subset of set of integer. This is a relationship. So we can write this relationship using Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, we can write in this form. Let's start from natural number. So Venn diagram is this, writing the sets in circle, inside a circle. So set of natural number contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. 1, 2, 3, and so on. This set of natural number. So to describe set of whole number on this set, you add 0 on it. So we have 1, 2, 3 on 1, 3, and so on this set. We add 0. Therefore, when you add 0 on this set, you will have the set of whole number. So as you can see, natural number is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a bigger set than natural number. And again, when you see set of integer on these sets, it contains another numbers, negative number. Additionally, it has negative numbers. So, set of integer contains the numbers on this set 0, 1, 2, 3. The remaining numbers are -1, -2, -3, and so on. So now I'll give you one example for you. Example. Let's take this example in the form of multiple choice. Which of the following statements are true? Okay, the first choice, A, whole number is a proper subset of natural number. B, set of integer is a proper subset of. C, natural number. D, set of positive integer is a proper subset of negative integer. I'll give you 20 seconds for this question for you. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Let's see the answer together. The first statement says, whole number. We know whole number, 0, 1, 2, and so on. It says a proper subset of natural number, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So it says all these sets are found in this set. Is it true? No, it's not. Look, 0 is not on this set. All these sets are not there. Therefore, whole number is not a proper subset of natural number. Let's see this one. Integer. Set of integer contains -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. It says proper subset of negative integers. -3, -2, -1. So as you can see here, all these sets are found in this set. Is it true? It's not. For example, this positive and 0 numbers are not found in this set. Therefore, integer is not a proper subset of negative integer. This one is also a wrong statement. Let's see this one. Natural number. 1, 2, 3, and so on, is a proper subset of integer. Integers contains the numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So all these sets are found in these sets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on are found on the second set. Therefore, natural number is a proper subset of integer. Here, positive integers, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Negative integers, -3, -2, -1. All these sets, are they found here? No, they do not found there. Therefore, all sets not found here. So this set is not a proper subset of the second set. So this one is also wrong. The correct answer is C. So this is all about today's lesson. So I will give you exercise for you to try. exercise. Exercise. The first one. Write true if the statement is correct. If the statement is correct, and false. False if the statement is wrong. If the statement is wrong. Is wrong. Okay. A, negative 1.2 is element of Z. B, negative 200 is element of integer. C, 8/10 is element of Z. D, W is subset, proper subset of integer. E, Z plus is subset of, proper subset of natural number. So, please try. This is all about today's lesson. Please try this question in your home. I'll give you 1 minute to copy the question. Until next lesson, goodbye.